Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with a new recruitment from the Indian Navy. Actually this is a government recruitment. Okay, so the Indian Navy invites application from the unmarried male candidates for Short Service Commission, that is SSC, Short Service Commission in Electrical Branch. Okay, so the form opening will be start from 16 July. Okay, so 4 days to go. Applications are invited from unmarried eligible male candidates for grant of Short Service Commission SSC in Electrical Branch for course commencing January 2022 onwards at Indian Naval Academy INA. Okay, that is in the Kerala. Candidates must fulfill conditions of nationality as laid down by the Government of India. What are the eligibility conditions? Okay, in that educational qualification branch, SSC electrical branch. Okay, so eligible branches or degree allowed, we will check that one. Eligible streams of Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Technology and other qualification. BE BTech with minimum 60% marks in any of the following streams: electrical, electronics, telecommunication, electronics and communication, power engineering, power electronics, electronics and instrumentation, then applied electronics and instrumentation, then instrumentation and control, instrumentation, applied electronics and communication, electrical and electronics. All these stream candidates are allowed to apply. There are 40 vacancies and only male candidates are allowed. Okay, so the candidate should be born between uh, uh, 2nd January 1997 till 1st July 2002. Okay, between these inclusive dates. Note, due to COVID-19 pandemic, as exception is being made in the public interest wherein no INET entrance examination for the Jan 2020 course is being held for the shortlisting candidate for SSB. The final merit list for induction will be prepared based only on SSB marks. Okay, so these vacancies are tentative and may be changed depending on the availability of training slot. NCC candidates, NCC C certificate holders will be given relaxation in cutoff marks towards shortlisting for SSB subject to the following condition: having NCC C certificate of Army or Air or Naval wing with minimum B grade, or not served less than 2 academic years in the senior division Naval Army or Air wing of the NCC. C certificate should not be dated prior to 30 July 2018. The final selection will be subject to the verification of the certificate by DG NCC concerned NCC unit for its validity. Candidature of the individual will be cancelled at any stage of the selection or training or post commissioning in case of false declaration, misinformation or concealing of information. Okay, so please give only correct details. Who can apply? Candidates who have graduated or in the final year with minimum 60% marks in aggregate or equivalent CGPA from a university incorporated by an act of central or state in India, and other educational institutions established by an act of parliament. Okay, so they have provided some information here, and above we have already checked the eligibility criteria. Okay, so note, candidates are advised to ascertain applicable medical standards prior applying for the entry. No equivalent stream of BE BTech or other qualification other than those mentioned in paragraph 2 above will be considered valid for the selection process at any stage. Okay, so only Bachelor of Engineering and Bachelor of Technology candidates with electrical, electronics, instrumentation branch candidates are allowed to apply. Medical standards or relaxation in height and weight, then tattoo, pay and allowance, group insurance, then leave entitlements, then other things. Please visit for this website they have provided here. Training: candidates will be inducted in the rank of sub lieutenant. Selected candidate will undergo 22 weeks of naval orientation course. Okay, So selected candidates will be granted short service commission, initially for 10 years, extendable by maximum 4 years in 2 terms, 2 years plus 2 years, and subject to service requirement, performance, medical eligibility, and willingness of the candidate. Okay. So selection procedure will be shortlisting for SSB. A shortlisting of application will be based on marks obtained by the candidates qualifying degree till 5th semester. Candidates having naval or army or air wing C certificate issued by National Cadet Corps will be provided a relaxation of 5% in cutoff marks for SSB shortlisting. However, the mandatory criteria of 60% mark in qualifying degree will be required at the time of shortlisting of candidates and at subsequent stages of the selection, and no communication will be entertained in this regard. SSB interviews will be tentatively scheduled from 21 September onwards at Bangalore, Bhopal, Visakhapatnam or Kolkata. Change of SSB center for the interview is not permissible under any circumstances. The shortlisted candidate will be informed about their shortlisting for SSB interview through email or SMS provided by candidates in their application form. Candidates are advised not to change their email or mobile number till selection process is over. Okay, so SSB procedure, details of the SSB procedure are available on this website. Then medical, regarding medical, the SSB recommended candidates are required to undergo medical examination as applicable to their entry. Okay, so there will be no any fees for the medical examination, they will pay. Okay, merit list would be prepared based on the SSB marks. Candidates declared fit in medical examination would be appointed as per availability of vacancies in the entry. Okay, so how to apply for this? As I earlier said, the online application form will start from the 16th July. Okay, so candidates are to register and fill application on Indian Navy website. This is the website. I will provide this link in description box with the effective from 16th of July 2021. To save the time during the application submission window, candidates can fill their details and upload documents in advance. Online e-application. First you need to go to the this website. I have already opened this website. You need to register first. You can fill details. Once you register, you can fill details, you can upload documents, and once the application will be start from 16 July, then you can apply for this SSB SSC, short service commission position. Okay, so correct filling up of personal particulars details are to be filled up as given in the matriculation certificate. Please fill the necessary or required details as per your matriculation certificate. Fields such as email address, mobile number are mandatory fields and need to be filled for the further communication. All relevant documents, preferably in original mark sheet up to 5th and 7th semester for regular and integrated BE Tech courses respectively, date of birth proof as per 10th and 12th certificate, CGPA conversion formula. If your marks are in CGPA, then please convert it into percentage. For BE Tech, NCCC certificate issued by National Cadet Corps, and a recent passport size color photograph should be scanned in original JPG format, okay, or TIFF for attaching the same while filling up the application form. Okay, so this was the eligibility criteria from the Indian Navy. So the last date for online application is 30 July, and it will start from 16 July onwards. Okay, so to apply for this, please go to this link, then click on register. Once you click, if it asked for login, then please log in, and once you log in, then fill all your details with correct mobile number, with correct mail ID, and fill all the required details and upload your documents, and once the form will be started, then you can apply. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.